Hello, hello. Beginning of July, still rains during the nighttime. We got some pretty heavy one last night. Waves looks better than previous days. That was a kind of challenge to get into the wood and out. Pretty big waves. But today, kubu, wreck and monkey reef. So that's how we do it. And then tomorrow, then it will be something more interesting.
Breakfast? Yeah, underwater.
I thought we will turn it into the tomato. Positioning.
Alright.
Rack, good?
Great.
Sketchy?
Not sketchy.
Really?
Not sketchy. I didn't think I was gonna die.
That's what you was worried
I was worried about the wreck. My first wreck dive ever.
Yeah?
Not sketchy. I drove the ship. I think I drive cars better underwater than above.
And the monkey reef, good?
Monkey reef, great.
What did you
Most
see?
fish. So many fish.
And?
Scorpion. 2 turtles. 2 sea turtles.
Okay.
Scorpion fish. And
What else?
spiky one.
Blue coral fish.
Blue coral fish. And it's all these like skinny little trumpet looking
Yeah, that's trumpet.
fish.
Yeah, that's trumpet
And
fish.
some angelfish maybe?
Yeah,
All the
everything.
fish, yeah. And snails.
Yeah.
Snails. And a lobster.
Okay.
We saw lobster.
Lobster.
Lobster? Wasn't it?
Was it lobster?
What was it?
I don't remember seeing a lobster.
It wasn't a
Clownfish
lobster. It
shrimp.
wasn't a lobster.
In the beginning.
And you, Mike, you are happy?
Yeah, very happy. That's great.
Congratulations, advanced divers! Hello, hello. Padang Bay again. Manta Point, as you understand, right? We'll see what will be our plan. Definitely we do Manta Point. That's what we for here. And if we will hear from the crew, boat crew, that there is a mola in a Crystal Bay, then maybe we will do the Crystal Bay dive instead of special drift. The weather conditions today is okay. In Ahmed it was a little bit rainy. Even it's the beginning of July and it's not normal to have a rain here. We still have a light showers and pretty heavy rains during the night times. Otherwise, weather is beautiful. But Nusa Penida looks promising and I'm pretty sure there will be nice weather when we will reach that place. We still have around 40 minutes before our departure. We will stop, the guys will eat the breakfast, we'll drink some coffee, then we load up and then we go. Are you ready? We are ready. Was it good?
Good, good.
Very
lots
big.
Lots of mantas. Very big mantas.
Cold, right?
3 meters. Yeah, that's cool. What 3 meters? Full size.
Yeah. Hello. Was good?
It was great. Yeah, it was awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so cool. That's what
So many boats. I don't know how many divers, but there was still a lot of space for everyone. What are you doing there?
Nature calls. We are attending to the nature. The sea is the nature.
Some food. Feels better? Okay. So better I stay here. The current goes that way. That's right. So.
okay. It was awesome. It was good. Good? Amazing.
We left 8:15 and now it's about 1 o'clock. We are back. That's the bright moments of my episodes.
Oh man.
And so, 5 mantas.
6.
6?
I don't know.
7.
Too many.
Too many. We were not able to count. Too many. 25 degrees water. A little bit chilly, right? But still okay.
Super comfortable.
No, it wasn't. Like, for me, it was a little bit too cold, but it was still fine for some 40-minute dive. Yeah, so we did around 40-45 minute dive, and it was more than enough because the mantas was all the time. Super cute two baby eagle rays. They were not afraid of us, swam all the time around, like, yeah, so like I was able to swim a couple of minutes with them.
They were the preview.
Yeah.
The
So,
small ones, and then the big ones came off.
yeah. Nice trip, everybody's happy, nice drift. We drifted a pretty nice distance, like around a couple of kilometers. And so yeah, good visibility, by the way. Yeah, especially in a special drift was really good. So yeah. All right, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Follow, like,
Subscribe.
all right, see you on the next one. Bye.